Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how a high-frequency trading server works, step by step, and how it uses speed, data, and algorithms to process trades in microseconds. First, the process starts when live market data comes from exchanges. This data includes prices, orders, trades, order book updates, and market movements. Since high-frequency trading depends on quick decisions, real-time data feed is the first important input. Next, the data travels through a low-latency network. These systems use high-speed fiber connections, co-location servers, and optimized routing to reduce delay. In high-frequency trading, even microseconds matter, so the server is usually placed close to the exchange to gain a speed advantage. After that, the HFT server receives the market data and records it with a precise timestamp. This helps the system understand exactly when the data arrived and allows the trading software to compare prices, detect changes, and react faster than normal manual trading systems. Then, powerful algorithms analyze the market conditions. These algorithms look for small price gaps, order book changes, liquidity movement, and short-term opportunities. Instead of waiting for human decision-making, the system automatically calculates whether to buy, sell, or stay inactive. Once an opportunity is detected, the server generates an order instantly. This order includes details such as buy or sell instruction, quantity, price, and execution rules. Because the decision is automated, the order can be created much faster than a human trader could enter it manually. After that, the order is sent to the exchange through ultra-low latency connections. The goal is to reach the exchange as quickly as possible before the market condition changes. This is why HFT servers are built with fast CPUs, RAM, SSDs, FPGA technology, optimized software, and reliable infrastructure. Next, the exchange receives the order and tries to match it with the best available buy or sell order in the order book. If the price and quantity match, the order is executed. This process may happen in a fraction of a second. Then, the execution confirmation is sent back to the HFT server. This confirmation includes fill details, price, quantity, and timestamp. The server uses this information to update the trading position immediately. Meanwhile, risk and position management systems continue working in real time. The server monitors open positions, profit and loss, exposure, order limits, and risk controls. This is important because fast trading can create large risk if the system is not controlled properly. Finally, the whole process runs continuously. The server receives new data, analyzes it, creates orders, sends them to the exchange, receives confirmation, and updates risk again and again, thousands of times per second. In this way, high-frequency trading servers aim to capture tiny market opportunities using speed, data, smart algorithms, and fast execution. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.